Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 16 inches dish drying rack that I think it could be really good if you're trying to save some space, because this one is not super big. As you can see, 16 inches by almost 11 inches wide, or deep actually, and it's not super big, but it still has some really good room to put some things that you're gonna kind of like wash every other day, because we have a dishwasher, so we don't use the sink too much to wash some of the like plates or silverware or things like that. But sometimes we don't want to put just the dishwasher and we use like one plate, one glass, one cup or something like that, and this one has enough room to put all of that. So let me actually take you on a close-up, but this is super easy to assemble, like probably like 5 to 10 minutes or more than that, and it's 16 inches by almost 11 inches. Let me show it to you right now. So I have some stuff right here in the sink, and the thing that I like the most about this one is, of course, the tray that goes right here. You can see that drips inside of your actual sink if you put it on the side. For example, if I have this kind of like glass right here or something like that, I can put it in here, it will drip inside, and lately at some point it will drip inside of my actual sink. With this one, which you can actually kind of like retract a little bit and put it on this side if you want, and you can rotate the whole thing. I do like it to have it on the large side on this way, so that's why I put it in here, and you can see that still will drip inside here. I'll show that one to you in a few seconds. But the thing that I like about this one is that you can put up to 4 like mugs or glass right here or things like that, and you can actually put some fork, for example, right here. It has a special compartment for knives, which that's actually not super common in this type of drying racks, because they don't come with that too often. And then you can put some plates right here. Of course, they will be keep dripping inside, and that's what I'm gonna show you right now. And you still will have some room in here to put some other stuff. So let's actually see the dripping. So let's say that you put a lot of things and they keep like dripping inside of the drying rack, and make enough water for you to see that this will drip inside of your actual sink. So that is what it makes it to be space saver and also convenient. You can also put your kitchen towel here if you want as well, and that will make it to be all done here. I like it. I do recommend it. Good enough to put on the side of your sink and compact enough to save some space. Thumbs up, recommended. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.